bad at all.
Well, it could be low the lower end. Certain lower end maybe. Pull the motor off. Pull the big wrench. The big wrench. Pull the motor down. Pull this low cover off. That's out. Plug on it. All plugged out. Oh, it's not seized. It's not.
Plus?
It's not stuck. I don't know yet. Vibration in the truck. On the other side, right now. As soon as he does that, we'll do a compression. Yeah, we'll get it right before we get Get the battery charger hooked up. We're going to be doing a compression. I got to do this quick. Yeah, you gotta catch the light when you do this, otherwise you're not doing it. Here, plug this good extension over here, Justin. Well,
I'll get it. Yep, there right now.
I'm gonna wait. Finally. Amazing.
might be able to see something on the right side. What'd that cost? I don't know. Hopefully it just broke the spring. We'll put another spring on. Is that what it cost? What about the other side to push out? I don't know, but that's obviously broken. So
Broke the spring, but it doesn't look like it.
yeah,
It looks just
yeah.
take the pressure off of
The
that.
valve's still there. So the valve's still there. So
Check the valve, make sure it slides.
yeah. Let's try to get this rocker arm stand off.
Okay.
Let's get this thing.
Good. I'll be back around 6:30.
Okay. Bye, Mama Bear.
Bye, HR.
Text me if you guys need anything as soon as I'm done. Like, I'll...
Get a pair of pliers. Well, mine's off. Hold on.
Still get it.
Yeah, we got to do this set. This set? Sorry. So hold on, let me get this straight again. Yeah, it's moving all over one. Go ahead and get fuel, Justin. Forget about that.
Okay. All my plugs on the side are done. Everything's pushed in. Coil pack's there. Same with that side.
Check them all.
Yep. Valve covers, this, oil, straps. You knock these guys out. You knock these guys out. Torque the heads, right? No, just kidding. You got headers underneath, up,
Diapers on.
filters on, diapers on. Putting in fuel system's hooked up, throttle cable with the switch, the zip ties on, right? Let's see, we got that. Son of a gun, boss, I think. Belt, I fixed that, we got that.
It's easier to do with.
I think we got it, Martin, man. I think we're ready to start.
Go over the
Yeah.
gas.
Oh yeah.
See what's gonna happen.
Beast mode over here.
Yeah, beast mode, man. Non-stop, go, go, go. Hurry up and get that.
Up all night doing this, huh?
All night, yeah. We were up till, shit, 3:30, 4 o'clock in the morning. Tearing heads off, just making it happen. And here we are.
Put the sleeves
We
in.
put sleeves in, we hog them out. pulled 'em
Wow.
out. I don't even know what sleeves are at, but yeah, we took care of it. So now we're just about ready. It's been non-stop.
Got that 3-second pass too.
That's it, man. You know, we did good yesterday. We're gonna go dominant
Put a
today.
zip tie around that.
Okay. Yeah, other than that, we're ready, man.
Hell yeah.
Appreciate it, Martin. Thank
Yeah,
you.
man.
Just for shits and grins, I want to fold out my own grasses. Yeah. Is it neutral? Ignition on? They started.
It fucking runs!
They restarted. worked off right away. Oh, that's good, Justin. But it really did. He said the oil pressure was coming up the ship can.
Where's the sensor at?
Right here.
Josh Wayler, 2015 model year Camaro, 695 to dial in for Norton. Wayler's rolled the beans. So
I wonder if it just lost signal track signal. We got a cold plug right here, and just because it's not cleared out. Start it back up again. It's okay. Stop.
I'll be cranking fast enough now.
Yeah.
Bottom back one.
No, that number two. Number two, it's that's two. But it does that sometimes. It does that sometimes because the screw blower always yeah, it all pushes it to the front. It's okay. Just gotta clear it out.
Joseph and Alan Hall coming up now, both are driving that 2018.
Dry. It's kind of dry actually. It's not even...
650,
Yeah, well. No ignition, just crank it over. Stop.
Pull that next back. You can tell it's been.
Yeah. Yeah, it started, it was burnt, it was hot earlier, and then because sometimes it does that if you don't give it some throttle.
Shit loaded up.
Start. I think the battery's just low.
A car like that, he's been double O a couple times today, and unfortunately this time he's double O on the wrong side.
Sorry, man.
Remember my first time.
We'll let it off. Yeah, that one definitely wasn't going. started. Didn't you charge up earlier? Go ahead. Yeah, it's making heat now.
I remember it.
You want to fire back on?
Yeah,
Stop, see if we're doing it.
Yeah, turn it on. We're good.
Peter's got a crowd. It's done. We're ready. We're fucking ready.
The drive shaft.
Man, how great was that, dude? We got it running. Woo! Good job, brother. Thanks, Martin.
Yeah, man. Good stuff.
Fucking 12 hours of work, it's done.
Working all night, huh?
All night till 5 a.m.
Man.
All the way down to the heads.
From the yes, sir. Anyone riding with a rapid switch system is here. You go check them out on manufacturer's web. Inside of the racetrack with the rapid switch system for trailer tie out. Really neat setup. If you have a trailer that you're tying down different things to, you need different points to use. And that is what this company has designed a very quick and cool way to make your trailer more versatile. So check out Rapid Switch Systems on the manufacturer's midway, especially if you're first then using your trailer to haul more. That single diesel, saver tie out stop. Made will always need to work. You can let that work. One-stop shop for high-performance cars, specializing
Goes into the transfer case, comes back out here. This tri-shaft shits into here, comes right out
Give him the back tire.
right to the
And
front.
then miraculously, the next day later, he had some slip. Right. Well, that don't matter. He's illegal to do that. Within his overhang rules. It's legal, so that don't matter. I gotta check timing first.
First start out there, and the start it dump it all over there.
on the back side. This side's not leaking, it's leaking out of the back.
Okay.
So you know what you got, you ever change that one?
I have,
Yeah. Got O-rings?
I think I do.
But air out for a sec, guys. You guys got eyes all on fire.